Delft-MEMS is the microelectronic company which was created under the idea of providing an innovative solution for radio communication using different technologies than the one that is used at the moment, which is called MEMS, which is microelectronic and mechanical devices, which actually are moving devices. And we put those devices in the radio part of the mobile phone to better the radio communication.
We use the MEMS technology. MEMS is currently used for some applications in, for example, accelerometers and gyroscope in mobile phones just to change the screen, but it's not the case for RF signal. The idea for us is to develop a new mechanical structure based on a free membrane, totally different than the components that have been developed in the past, and with this new mechanical configuration we can improve the reliability of this type of component.
So that technology will be used by the mobile phone manufacturer, so which are our customers or actually the people doing the radio front end of the mobile phone, and they will put our devices in that radio module, which then will be implanted into the mobile phone itself. Our customers estimate that with those devices you can reduce the power consumption of the radio front end, which is just part of the phone, by about 40%, so which will obviously give you a longer battery life. So that's what you will see. The linearity aspect of it is also a big advantage, because when you are on the move in your car, for instance, the frequency you tuned in obviously moves a bit, and then that linearity will provide a continuity of transmission.
We have a generic MEMS technology, but the idea is to provide some custom components to really fit the requirement of customers.